In iMold, the cooling channels are based on the concept of drilled holes, meaning, you define the cooling circuit in terms of holes. Let's make the top assembly the active document. And from the iMold command manager, select Smart Point. Enter the ABS coordinates as follows: x, -50, y, 175, and z 50. Click the Create button to create the point. Next, select the newly created point, and under Ref Coordinates, change the x to -25 and click the Create button and then followed by the Cancel button to close the dialog window. Orientate to the front view. From the iMold command manager, click Cooling Designer and select Create Circuit. Under Inlet, select the smart point created earlier as shown. The arrow will indicate the direction of the circuit. Under the direction, select A on Y-axis option and click Flip Direction button to ensure that the direction arrow is pointing into the mold. Change the length to 140 mm and under Length, click the Draw button. Next, move the direction to along Z-axis and click Flip Direction. Change the length to 25 mm and click Draw. For the next segments, along X-axis, 25 mm. Then Y-axis, flip direction and 70 mm. X-axis again, flip direction and 75 mm. Then Y-axis, 70 mm. X-axis, 25 mm. And Z-axis another 25 mm. Finally, select the smart point as the outlet point. Under Diameter, change the diameter to 8 mm and click OK to draw the cooling circuit. Let's hide the movable half and the fixed half to get a better view. From the iMold command manager, click the Cooling Designer again and select Drill Plug Hole. Under Plug Face, select the face as shown. This is the face where the cooling circuit will be drilled from. Then on the cylinder selection, select the two cylinders on the cooling circuit as shown. Click OK to create the extensions. Repeat this step on this face and select these cylinders. Again, repeat the steps, this time on this face. Open the 1000 circuit part from the cooling assembly. On the iMold command manager menu, click Cooling Designer and select Over Drill. Under cylinder selection, select the cylinders at approximately the points shown on the graphical area. Finally, under parameters, change it to 3 mm. Click OK to create the over drill extensions. Let's copy this cooling circuit to the other impression assembly. From the iMold command manager, click Cooling Designer and select Transform Circuit. Under Options, check Make a Copy option to copy the circuit. Select the existing circuit. Under Methods, click to select Point to Point. Click From and select the vertex shown. Click to Point and select the corresponding vertex on the other cavity insert. Click OK. Save the project.